Hi friends, I am Sajith. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the side-by-side with the Realme 6 versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So which phone to choose if you want to really buy the device right now. So right now I'm using the Redmi Note 8 Pro friends for the quite some time, and I did not have the hands-on with the Realme 6 device. So that's why I'm using the JSM Arena site for the specifications so that we can compare side-by-side exactly friends. And the first thing you will notice is that both the phones are having the same kind of processor friends, Helio G90T processor. So this is the one thing to be noted. And even the screen size, as you can see friends, 6.5 inches versus same 6.5 inches, so slightly there's a difference. And next area where you can notice is that battery life. So battery 4500 on the Redmi Note 8 Pro and the 4300 on mAh on the Realme 6 device friends. And don't think the battery will be less, because most of the Realme phones are very good in terms of the battery backup friends, definitely. So I'm not being partial to any phone, not the Redmi, not the Realme. So just I'm giving my honest opinion friends, because for the past couple of months I am using the Redmi phones and the Realme phones. So that's the one thing I noticed is that the battery mAh doesn't matter. The Realme X2 phone actually beat the Realme Note 8 Pro as well friends, 4000 mAh versus 4500 mAh. So in terms of battery, I don't agree right now, but definitely friends, once I get hands-on with the Realme 6 device, I'll be posting plenty of videos side by side comparing to each other, so you'll get a clear idea friends. So in terms of the phone weight, you can see 200 grams and 191 grams. That's not a big deal for most of the people. And what the difference is that the Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with the Gorilla Glass 5 and Realme 6 comes with the Gorilla Glass 3. So that's the one thing downgrade for the Realme 6 device. You can see your friends clearly, so which has a Gorilla Glass 3 device. And next is the same kind of IPS LCD panel, there is nothing changed, and 6.5 inches, 6.53 inches, same HD displays, both the phones are HD, and 500 nits maximum brightness in the Redmi Note 8 Pro device, and in the Realme 6 has only 480 nits. That's not that much difference in terms of the brightness as well. And what's the difference is here friends, 90 Hz refresh rate. That is a very good thing having in the budget mobile, 90 Hz. So nowadays a lot of the budget mobiles are trying to get the 90 Hz and 120 Hz in terms of the mid-range segment as well. The trend started with the POCO X2 and now continuing with the Realme 6 device. That's a good thing. And next is that 120 Hz touch sensing. So 120 Hz touch sensing is a new form of what they are using. Most of the company is that as the 120 Hz touch sensing is that how much high the touch sensing is, that much the fast touch response will be there while you're playing game and while you're using the mobile. So that's a good thing of having in the Realme 6 device. So in terms of the display, the Realme 6 has a advantage when you compare with the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. And let's get into the processor and what kind of using in both the phones. So both the phones are using same kind of processor. There's nothing difference in that. Even in the UFS 2.1, same kind of speed transfer data rates. And the good thing is that you get a dedicated slot for the micro SD card slot. That the Redmi Note 8 Pro has a hybrid slot, so that's a good thing in the Realme 6 device. And next, even in terms of the cameras, you can see 64:8 2.2, same kind of cameras installed in both the phones friends, and 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel. That's not a big deal for me. Maybe it will be for other users but not for me. And next area what's the difference is in terms of the charging and speed rate friends. As you can see, 4500 mAh of battery and 18 watts charger, which take plenty of time for the Redmi Note 8 Pro to charge, like 2 hours to charge friends. So that's a very disadvantage for the mobile, so at the moment, whereas Realme 6 takes only 55 minutes to 100% charge. That's a good thing in the Realme 6 device. So overall friends, if you are a gamer and if you want a mobile to be future proof, then definitely friends, I would highly recommend you to buy the 90 Hz display refresh rate friends. That means the Realme 6 will be the best option for you all at the moment if you want to buy a mobile phone below 15,000 and below 13,000. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends. That's it for this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.